Yo guys, so as you can see by the title, it's about to snow here. I'm trying to pump out the videos, so I'm gonna get the bike ready. Me and Ian are gonna go try and ride in the snow. So yeah, first I'm gonna try and let some of the air out so I hook up and we'll get a nice cold start. It's like 25 degrees out, so let's go. Alright guys, so I just picked up Ian. He's being cameraman right now. The weatherman said it's gonna snow at 12 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock now. It still hasn't started snowing yet. So yeah, basically this video is gonna be us riding in the snow. Hopefully it starts snowing. The sky is getting pretty dark, so we should see some snowflakes soon. They're saying about 12 inches. We'll see what happens. But like I said in the last video, if you're not already, make sure you subscribe. And also drop a comment down below. Check out these 3 comments. Shout out to these guys. They commented on the last video. But we're almost to the sand pit. Same spot we've been riding in all the other videos. So we'll see you guys when we get there. The ground is so frozen. Did you see on camera I almost slid a little bit right there?
Yeah, you did slide a little bit. You got a little squirrely.
All right, guys. This ground is so frozen solid, it kind of sucks to ride on. So I guess we're going to try and go in the sand pit and rip a little bit. Also, this whole video is probably going to be third person because I forgot the SD card for the GoPro. So it is what it is, but let's go check out the sand pit. My foot was like this a little bit. The ground is so frozen, it like ripped my foot.
Dude, it's snowing good now.
I don't know if you can see on camera, guys. We're in the sand pit and it's so icy.
Look, now it looks like it's not icy.
Yeah.
That's from your peg, dude. It literally looks like
ice.
Mining. Like someone was mining rock.
Oh, it's icy now.
Yeah, it looks like it looks like rock. It literally looks like rock. Oh my god, it feels like a rock too. Ow. That's insane. It's just like 2 days of cold and now everything is just dust. It's all like it too. You can just see, you can literally see your peg is like, oh my god, dude.
That's what my peg is dragging.
That's like concrete.
Watch, I'll hit it again. Film it from that angle again.
Ow. My foot really hurts from kicking that.
Yeah, I'll talk to Vinny. You see me drive. Yo guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. As you saw later in the day, we ended up skiing behind Ian's truck. I was gonna include all that into this video, but this video is getting kind of long, so I think I'm gonna make that a separate video. We skied behind Ian's truck. The cops got called when we tried to ski through McDonald's, etc. It's really funny, so if you're not already subscribed with notifications on, make sure you do that now so you don't miss that video. Should be coming out in a couple days here. But other than that, let me know what you guys thought down in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.